6. Bias number 11 open. 12 with a leather now. Slicing up the competition. Thinking of the way to operate inside. 11 goes inside. Yeah! Finding his mark inside the shaded line. Connecting 2. Number 1. Naghahanap ng kakampi going baseline. And inside number 8. Finding his reins inside the shaded lane, connecting 2. Eto na. Moving height is Mike, and there's a whistle. Number 8 acknowledging the act of following him. Sending number 12 to the line. Nine and 12 is the tally on the board in favor of the Homies. 7 minutes left to play in the game. Unable to find his target using the back, but the back is close for him. Here comes Mamba on the attack. Stealing the ball! Number 4, yes! There's a whistle. Ibang klase, pag babae pa lang referee, walang umaangal. Halita na lang kaya na natin ang babae ang watch na 1 and 2. Okay. Pag referee pa na, walang aangal. Here comes number 8.
Sugar Roll and Lady Spikers. Sugar Rolls and Lady Spikers. Team captains, please claim your R5.
Here comes Mamba in green on the offensive end. With number 4 with a leather. Ito na number 4. Right-handed drive converted. Here comes number 7. Mamba in green. Naghahanap, trying to analyze the situation. Firing and no scoring at all. Here comes number 4. Take 2. Oh, looks like there's a whistle. We have a sign of a T. That would send number 4 to the line for a Philly. Here comes number 4, Pinasa. Unable to score a little 10. Walang tumama. Number 2 now. Spin move. Going baseline. Hesitating and firing. Yes! Right on target. Sniping for the outside. Mamba. Here comes number 4 underneath. And an easy target.
Alright, now we've got Team Sheila versus Balibalista. Up next, we've got Team Sugar Rolls versus
4 minutes left in the ball game.
Spiker Lady.
17 is your tally on the board.
Ibibidyo ako. Ibibidyo.
This is the second game in our Eid Holiday Tournament brought to you by the Positive Spirit of the Dubai Police. Lamang po ang Homies in brown.
Ano lang naman yun, diba? Oo.
comes number 7. Wallace Field. Number 7 recovering the ball. Mamba on the attack. Finds 3 open. Ginalik. Throws it up and in the man. Here comes number 2. Bobby. And nice speed. Converting 2 from Alalu. Number 8. Picked off by the Hoodies. Left-handed drive. The putback is good for 2. Number 1 backs it down for 2. Walang araw talaga. Tingnan. Back to the ball game.
Up top is
Number 8
Balibulista.
gives it to number 2 for Mamba.
By Balibulista, despite the reach, was dug inside. Ball is still alive. Russia got the Fatima.
The Hoodies on the attack.
Ball is still good.
Here
She
comes
takes the
number
hit.
9 with a leather. Pinasa, number 7. Unable to score. Gives it to number 9
Good
again.
touch.
Yes! He's got a
Bad
roll
execution.
for 2 inside the center lane.
Rose up for service.
Number 8,
Score
Mamba.
is 14.
2. Inside.
Russo sets it. Miscommunication by Team
Here's
Balibulista.
Reigns with an attempt.
Team Sheila
Mamba trying
is
to double
slowly
team.
catching up.
Number 8 gives it to number 9.
11-14.
And there's a whistle.
Nice service. Services by Team Sheila. Score is now 12-14.
11-23 is the tally on the board.
Another hard serve into the net. Team Balibulista is 4 points to match point.
Number 4 and a charity strike.
Second Balibulista, Ate Alice, straight court. Ball is still alive. Sadly, it's the 4th touch.
Eto na. Number
Last
1,
3.
Pinasa.
Team
in a row.
Balibulista. Good serve by Arij. Service pays.
Let's get a minute
Last
to play.
2. Up next, we've got Team Sugar Rolls versus Spiker Lady. Good service. Service ace. Another service ace from Arij of Team Balibulista.
Hitting the mark from the outside.
Score is
Reciprocally.
18-12.
Both teams are trading basket.
Another good serve. Easy over. Surprise, surprise.
Pinasa, step back jumper, not converted.
Team Sheila still fighting to stay in this set.
That's about it for the first half. We will be back with another. With a left-handed drive. 2 points. Here comes number 8, converting 2 for
Up next,
Mambas.
Balibulista versus Purple Crusher. Again,
Here
up
comes
next,
number 10,
Balibulista
signaling a play for the
versus
homies.
Purple Crusher.
Finds number 5 on top of the key. Binalik kay number 5. And turn around jumper, converted for 2. 25-46 is the tally on the board. Using the band for 3. Kahumi still leading the charge at 4-6. Brother, it's an 18-point lead by the Homies. There is a whistle. Substitution, Homies. Number 2 will take a breather and being replaced by number 8, who is now back in the ball game. That is steal. Ito na. Number 12, Pinasa underneath, scoring 2. 4 minutes to play. We will know who will walk away with the title of being a winner. But wait outside. No conversion so far. Movies on the attack. Number 5 with the leather. Binalik. Bola. And number 12, Leather, double team and losing the ball. That's a turnover by the Homies. 8 recipients of the ball and number 9 putting it back to 2. 2 points converted from number 12 for the Homies.
Next time, ready na. Blue, NF, Orange, Fly Ducks.
Less than 4 minutes to play in this quarter of the ball game. Number 1 baseline.
Team Blue and Team Orange, ready na po tayo. Next team na kayo.
Here comes number 8. That's an air ball. Number 12. Firing and
Again, next game we've got Team Balibalista versus
number 2.
Percussions.
22 feet line, not converted. Ito na, number 10, bothered by number 18 of the Mamba, rather 8 of the Mamba team.